welcome back to Faculty Jeopardy for some double Jeopardy. I'm Alex Trebek. For those of you just joining us, we've had some winning performances today. In first place with the sterling score of $0, the chair of the University of Chicago Physics Department, Ed Blucher. Ed, please get off your phone. In second place, with negative $2,000, Professor Richard Hill. And we're very excited to have you. And bringing up the rear with negative $4,000, Professor Stephen Meyer.
Had a lot of problems in the first half, talking out of my hat, got hosed times, but a lot of people, a lot of pressure.
Yes. We're very sorry for you. Now, the categories for Double Jeopardy are potent potables, scientific equipment, things that quarks say. We'll give a quote from a quark. You have to name that quark. S-extractor, referring, of course, to the source extractor program for astrophysics. Stefan, you're surely familiar with it. Current physics department chairs. Elements that end in ithium. And something that none of you know anything about, so I'm really not sure why we bothered to put it up there. Dance moves. Stefan, since you're in last place, we'll start with you.
Luck's turning around already. I have a little script here I wrote to choose a category for me, but I wrote it in Fortran. No one understands that, so I rewrote it in Python, and now I don't understand it.
Okay, let's just go with scientific equipment for 1200. This popular Bond film weapon is the acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
This is
Stephen Meyer.
got like 2 more bugs. I'm almost done.
Stefan, stop coding. Richard. No, the answer.
But if you go into a quiet room and think about it, everything is trivial.
That was weird. Let's try something easier. How about elements that end in ithium for 400? This element is the only element that ends in ithium. Yes, Ed.
Well, there's earth, water, wind, fire. Fire is a definite possibility, but you can never be too sure.
Okay. If it helps, Cheng Chin traps this in his lab. Richard.
What are kidneys?
Somehow, this is getting even worse. It was lithium. Lithium ends in ithium. Stefan, the board is still yours.
Yeah, you might have to. Let's go crazy here. I'm gonna take something like you said. I know something about. I'll take a sex tractor for 800.
That's S-extractor. What on earth is a sex tractor?
Have you never ridden a sex tractor before?
No.
Have you ever been to Kansas?
No.
I have been to Kansas.
Oh my. Ed, why don't you pick a category?
I'll take neutrinos for 1200.
That's not even a category.
Take neutrino mixing agents for 1200.
All right, that's close enough to things that quarks say. So let's just...
What is, please, mister, if you let me out of your basement, I promise I won't tell the police.
What? No. Okay, let's just go on to the answer. For 1600, this quark would say, I'm a top quark. I'll save you the trouble, Ed. It's not a neutrino. Yes.
What is a photon?
How did you get tenure?
Don't push me on this, okay? If you push me, I'm gonna have to tell you, and then I'm gonna have to tell you.
All right. Richard Hill, why don't you take a crack at the board?
I took a crack at your mother, Trebek.
Nice.
What did you just
I'll
say?
take scientific equipment for 800, Trebek.
Okay, scientific equipment for 400. This should be really easy. I'll just show you an object and you tell me what it is. Please name this object. Ed.
What is a neodymium yak laser?
No, that is incorrect.
Oh, sorry. That's not that great. What is a titanium sapphire laser?
It's an array of germanium detectors.
What the hell is wrong with you people? It's a friggin' scope! All right. Here's one you can't possibly mess up. Let's go with current physics department chairs for 2000. This professor is the current chair of the physics department at the University of Chicago. Ed? Anyone? Any ideas? No, Ed! Ed, it's you! You are the current chair of the physics department at the University of Chicago.
Oh, well, that's bad.
Yes, it is. Let's move on to Richard Hill. Why don't you pick a category?
I'll take dance moves for 800.
Why the hell not? It's a video daily double! This dance move, depicted here at a local party, was first popularized by
What is
Miley.
the twerk?
That is actually correct.
Yes, is correct. Sometimes one has to sit in quiet room and twerk.
That was creepy. Let's just move on to Final Jeopardy. No, okay, you know what? Just write down an equation. Any equation will do. It doesn't have to be correct. Anything with an equals sign. The left side need not equal the right side. Just two parallel bars, something on the left, something on the right. You all have PhDs. Best of luck to us all. Ed, we'll start with you. You wrote the plush doll of an electron neutrino. Well done.
They are adorable.
And you wagered that the mass of the neutrino is less than 20 Stunning.
Perhaps that's a bit too high.
Okay. Richard, what did you put down? 0 is equal to positive E. That is an equation. You're on a bit of a roll here. And let's see what you wagered. Bite me. Wonderful.
It's
Very mature.
It's humorous, Trebek.
Stefan, I don't know why I'm bothering, but what did you put down? A single point. All you drew was a point.
That's all I got.
Failed to compile. This show failed to compile. That's all I've got. And that's all we've got.
And,
Greece! Greece, everyone! Professor Tom Whitten! Actually, guys, we have one more video. You guys want to watch?
Not yet. First, I wanted to give a thanks to all our professors here, particularly the ones that took their time to be cut out of context. And we really appreciate all the help that, everybody in the second year, not just the actors, everybody putting together this whole dinner, this whole evening, people serving at the bar, getting you really plastered so we were funnier. We appreciate all the help. The setup, everything's been incredible. So thank you to our year. Thank you to our professors, and we hope you all had a good night. We do have one more video for you.